Okay, so now in the third section, we've established that we do not need the special customer. We've selected a quote and selected our required dates. So now you'll come down to your VIN or your chassis selection. So it will determine what type of VIN or chassis you need based on the conversion you select. So if I select Pioneer 2, it will give me the option for chassis for the Pioneer 2, which are only 2500 series vehicles. Now, if I were to change to an Elite, it would give me a different set of options. So then it would tell me that I only have the option to select 3500 extended cargo units. So as you can see, it's very intuitive and works based on the selections that you select. So because I selected quotes, it will never give me VIN options. It will only give me chassis options. If I were to change this from a quote to a POC, it would not give me any chassis options. It would only give me VIN options. So let's start simple. We're going to select the Pioneer 2. It tells me automatically what the conversion price is, which is $34,000, and it will show down at the very bottom of your screen on the final price. This will follow you through your whole transaction on every change that you make, so you can see how it adjusts the price, very similar to what we did with JotForm. So in this case, we're going to select just the first one to keep it simple. So we'll purchase a 2018 premium version of our 2500 cargo vehicle. That comes up to 30,300. So we will add the 30,300 to the 34,000, giving us our 64,300 total price. Now, as in the other JotForm version, if you're building 5 vehicles that are all identical, you can then cut and paste in the other VINs that are going to be sold with this same exact vehicle. That way you're not creating 5 individual purchase orders, you're creating one, and everything that is associated with this one order will be duplicated for the other 4 or 5 VINs that you can add in here. Okay, so now you've seen how to select a chassis based on selecting the quote status, and then the next one I'll show you how to select a VIN when it's corresponding to a purchase order.